Hello, good morning, Minglava. Sorry, I cannot speak your language, so I have to speak foreigner language, which is also my not mother language. Thank you, Dr. Win and Gusto students for designing these very important apps. I have gone through all apps when I came in this program. So I have a few suggestions for you whenever you are deciding and making any app. Because when you make an app, you are basically in service industry. Mostly time you are not selling any product. So when you don't sell product, you have to get two things very important. What is the benefit for the end user? And from where you are getting the revenue. So when I have seen that Burma Bus app, it's a very good innovation, very good app. In our country, we used to have one app called Red Bus. It is started by one software engineer. He's supposed to go, like you have Tinjan. In India, he is supposed to go for holiday for his home, but he could not get the bus ticket. So he designed an app. And now it is one of the very successful. Redbus.in is a very successful product in India. It is going to be more than a $1 billion product soon. I want to suggest the person, the team who has making this Burma Bus app. When I ask him which is the area they are going to cover, they say it is going to cover only Yangon YBS. But if you are covering the only YBS, from where you will get the revenue? Because the YBS cost only 300 chat and 400 chat. So getting revenue is going to be very difficult. So I suggest you go and tie up with all these bus operator. Those go to Mandle, Pathen, Naypyidaw and start selling their ticket. Then you will get the revenue and you may charge service charge to the person who is sitting in Takeda and can book the tickets. It will give you the convenience and you will get the money. Like I started my career in 1994 as a medical representative. Was situation in Myanmar. I studied in a village where there was no road, no electricity up to 8th standard. And I used to walk every day 8 km morning and come back 8 km evening. So my suggestion for all students, don't blame what you don't have. Just appreciate what you have. So my friend Dr. Win told me I need to complete in 5 minutes. So before I complete my speech, I will tell you one story. In life, never complain for anything. Because there are people who are happy without not having anything what you all are sitting in this room. Those people are sitting in room as per Myanmar standards and lot of country people. You are very privileged. This world is having around 7.5 billion people. Only 30% people are having internet. So in this room, everybody is having mobile phone, you have internet, so you are privileged 30%. So don't complain. So what happened, there was one person, he make a loss in business. So he thought, what should I do? So he thought I should jump from the 5th floor and die. Because I lost the business. So he got up on roof and just trying to jump for do suicide. Then he see there is one person who does not have both leg, even he don't have both hand also, and he is just going on that like a bicycle something and making money and he's happy. Then he realized, I just lost the business money. I have lot of things. I have my both legs, both hands. I can do a lot. So I always say in life, never get depressed, never give up, never give up attitude is very, very important. Like my son is, my both son just completed their graduation from Canada. I remember my own story. I have given 78 interviews. After that, I got my first job. So when after my coming back my interview, my friend used to ask, "Hey, what is the result for this interview?" I say, "I learn how to not to fail one more time." And they will say, "How you get that energy for every after failure, you still can survive and you can go for next interview?" So my suggestion, my own life experience for all these students, one thing very important, don't compare yourself with anybody else. You are the unique, you are the only piece in the world. You should not compare to anybody else. Just compare to yourself, and you should be the better version of yesterday, whatever you see iPhone, Samsung, iPhone 14, 16, 18, 20, same way Ravindra Jain, 1, 2, 4, like this. So just renovate yourself, innovate, renovate, and don't compare anybody. Because what happened, once you start comparing, you are finished, your happiness has gone. So wish you all the best. And you have a great future in spite of all odds. If you want to perform, you can perform anywhere. If you don't want to perform, you will not perform anywhere in spite of giving everything. Thank you very much.